Ladies and gentlemen, I request the upstanding for His Excellency, President of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony for Mr. Akurgoda Kamage Ubundu Asanga Gunawansa as Justice of Appeal of the Court of Appeal shall now begin. Your Excellency, I now have the further honor to invite Mr. Akurgoda Kamage Ubundu Asanga Gunawansa to take the affirmation of allegiance and the affirmation for due execution of judicial office.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency. I, Akurgoda Kamage Ubundu Asanga Gunawansa, do solemnly, sincerely and truly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. I, Akurgoda Kamage Ubundu Asanga Gunawansa, do solemnly and sincerely and truly declare and affirm that as a judicial officer within the courts of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, and will do justice to all persons without fear, favor or prejudice in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law.